So I came po with this role with a background that spans from education. When I graduated, I started teaching immediately. So I've taught English and literature, so grammar and literature, for almost a decade. Then I did corporate training. That's when I moved to Sara Lee, direct selling company, and that was the start of my corporate life or my corporate journey. Then I did global recognition, I did leadership development. But one of the turning points po ng career ko was the time that I spent at our headquarters back in Salt Lake City, Utah. So I worked there for over 3 years. That was the time when I led the recognition initiatives of Usana Global across actually 20 markets po. And that experience shaped how I approach strategy with a global mindset, which is really very important among leaders today.